Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Deerfield, local and long distance, movers near me. Local moving companies, like 3 Movers, know these streets like the back of their hands. With a deep-rooted understanding of the area, we bring your move to life while preserving the spirit of Deerfield. Trust the expertise of these MA movers who view your local move as an opportunity to weave you into the fabric of this fantastic city. With Deerfield local TM movers, you'll transition seamlessly while experiencing the uniqueness that sets this place apart. Long-distance moves demand a unique approach, factoring in variables like travel time, distance, and fuel costs. But with Deerfield's long-distance 3 Movers, you won't just be moving, but embarking on a well-executed journey, ready to embrace the excitement of a new location while knowing your prized possessions are in capable hands? Let us bridge the gap and make your move a smooth and efficient adventure. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Deerfield moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form